Hi, I'm Jennifer Gonzalez for Cult of Pedagogy. Today I want to talk to you about the 5-second solution. This is a little tweak that you can make to your teaching or your presentation anytime you work with a group of students or participants. Tiny change that can make a really big difference in how well things go for you. The basic idea is this: when we are talking to a group and we're trying to get everyone's attention, a lot of times we don't wait long enough to get full quiet and get everyone's attention. Maybe it's our level of discomfort. We just start talking when there are still people who are not really focused on what we're saying. So what I'm going to show you today is what a difference it can make if you just wait about 5 seconds. This is not a precise amount, it's about 5 seconds. So I'm going to show you before and after, and I'm going to say the same thing twice, okay? I'm gonna tell everybody to finish what they're doing, and then I'm gonna start to give them instructions. I'm gonna tell them to turn to page 6 in their packets and write down their answers to the first question. So the first time, and I'm gonna be playing sound effects of students. So here we go. This is not using the 5-second solution. Okay, everyone, finish up what you're doing. We're gonna move on to the next step. Now the next thing you need to do is turn to page 6 in your packets, and I want you to write down your answer to the first question. Now you can hear that I talked right over the voices of the students who were still talking. They likely didn't hear me, or some of them didn't hear me. Now here's what's going to happen with those students. The 2 or 3 students who were still talking, they didn't hear my instructions. Now they are going to turn to somebody else and ask them, or they're going to put their hand up and say, "What page did you say? What are we supposed to do?" And I'm going to get mad at them because they didn't hear the instructions that I so clearly gave. If you just wait a few more seconds to make sure that you have everybody's attention, then they all hear you. So we'll do this again, and I'm going to wait this time. So let's bring on the noise again. Okay, everybody, finish up what you're doing. We're going to move on to the next step. Okay, the next thing you need to do is turn to page 6 in your packet. Write down your answer to the first question. I waited until I had complete silence. That is what the 5-second solution is. Just wait until you really do have everyone's attention. I've seen teachers get really upset at students who aren't paying attention or who didn't hear an instruction or whatever it was. And granted, a lot of those students should be quiet when you first say it, but sometimes it just takes a while to get everybody's attention. So when you're presenting to a group, just wait a few extra seconds until you're sure you really have everyone's attention, then talk, and you'll see it makes a huge difference. Thanks.